This is Nerdlands. I'm John.
And today we're going to be setting up one of these OWON VDS 1022i PC-based digital oscilloscopes. We're going to be setting it up on a Linux machine, specifically Ubuntu 20.04. So let's go ahead and get started. First off, you're going to want to go to this page. Florent BR is the author, and this generous person has set up versions for Linux, Windows, and OS X. So if you're using a Mac, you might want to give that a try. I haven't tried it. I don't know how well it works, but I imagine it's about the same as this one. The original Windows, you probably don't need to do it because the software works great as it is. But for Linux, you're going to see it's just awesome. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go and download from this folder right here. Just click on that and select whatever the top one is. I've already done it on my machine, and of course in Ubuntu it downloads to the default folder, which is downloads. And once you download it and you click it or double click it, it pops open a zip viewer window, and then you can select your extraction point by clicking the extract button. And what I did on mine is I made a temp folder under downloads, and I just selected that, and it created its OWON VD, whatever the version number is after that. And so all the files are there, and it basically looks like that. That's the folder it creates. And then once you create it, you're going to want to go in and run with bash the install-linux.sh. So open it in terminal and run this command. And again, make sure you do bash instead of sh. I'd normally do sh. And because it depends on bash internals to run. And when it runs, it will ask you a yes or no if you want to install new software, which is like Java and any other supporting software that it needs to run. So you say yes, and then it will go ahead and finish. And then when it's done, it actually installs it onto your machine, into your apps. So lower left, apps. Then type in OW and you should see it right there. Click it, and it takes a while to run. I don't know why. Mine's already plugged in and on. It's got the two plugs, one for power, one for data, and you can plug the power one into a power brick. Got to get the right one, of course. And there we go. It looks pretty much the same as it does on a Windows installation. You've got the tips window, which I'll close, and it's initializing. And yeah, that's the good old window that we know and love so well. So I'm going to just plug up the probes plugged into channel A, channel 1. Is it A? I guess it's channel 1 on here. And to the 5 volt 1 kilohertz test signal. And beautiful. Got it the first time. And there it is. Looking very pretty, and you can see that it's the square wave. I don't have any of the numbers on the screen, but you can see it's working. Disconnect it and connect it back, and off and on. Yeah, I mean, that's it. It's working, it's running, and I think that's enough for this video. If you liked it, please like it. Hopefully you liked it. And take care, and we'll see you in the next one.